Welcome back. As a part of this video, we'll understand the data storage testing. Usually, data storage testing sometimes can be included as a part of the data ingestion itself. So, in some cases, people pay special attention to the storage and perform the testing. We just want to throw some light on storage testing. So what happens after ingestion? After the ingestion, data is stored in the big data storage systems. What are those systems? It can be HDFS in Hadoop. It can be NoSQL databases like HBase, Cassandra, MongoDB, and cloud storage platforms like Amazon S3, Google Cloud Storage, and Azure Data Lake. Then other data lakes and data warehouses. So after the data ingestion, data has to be stored somewhere, right? Now, the data gets stored in a particular place. Storage testing ensures the data remains intact and accessible for processing and querying. So we have moved the data from different sources to the target. Then we have to ensure that data exists there. Data storage testing ensures that the data is securely, reliably stored in the big data ecosystems. So it should not have access to the people whom are not supposed to have access, right? That also would be tested as a part of the storage testing. It also verifies that the data within the data lakes, warehouses, or distributed systems is dependable and accessible. During the storage testing, we'll find out if there is any data loss, if there is any corruption to the data. So because if we don't identify the data loss or a corruption at this stage, it will definitely impact the transformations and calculations which are done during the data processing stage. By performing the storage testing, we'll guarantee that the data processed in the next stage is reliable. So in order to perform the storage testing in Hadoop ecosystem, in HDFS, we'll use some commands for fundamental storage testing. In case of NoSQL data stores, we can verify that all the records are present by using basic commands. In storage also, we have to sample the data and do the metadata validation and perform the data quality validation and also data one-on-one validation. Wonderful then. We understood what happens in data storage testing. Thank you.